Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Talk Analyst. Another video on Idex, ticker symbol IDEX for the company Ideonomics. So I made back-to-back few videos on Ideonomics and definitely I'm long on this particular stock and this is time for another earning because you can see the earning is on Monday, which is 17th of May. And I just wanted to make this video to show you the price action, the support, resistance, how the share price is going and maintaining a trend. Also, what was the previous earning, what we are expecting, and also if you want to play some call option for this particular one. And if you follow Idex, definitely this is a channel for you because you need to subscribe here. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. So first of all, I'm just showing you a daily chart. You can see wild move, went up, came down, went up to 5.5, came down, but each time now it is trying to go up, up, up. But the overall, it is not looking great. I just want to show you how it is moving. So you see the two black line. So the overall price is coming down. So we are making high and lows, but we are going down. But it does not mean I'm bearish on this particular stock. In my last video, I talked about the price target of $7 by Roth Capital, and also we have seen 5.5. If it is at 2.5 and if the trend is coming down, it does not mean I'm bearish on this particular one. Keep that in mind. I'm just showing you this particular one because if you're long term, I think this is a juicy price because 2.5, at least it can go to 5 or 5.5, it can make double your money. At the same time, if you are a day trader or a swing trader, you can look at the trend. Whenever it comes to the bottom, it goes up. So it's again a good profit from 2.2. If it goes to like $3, that's a good profit, right? So this is important to see the technical analysis, the trend and everything, because for the day trader and swing trader, this is very important to know how the price is moving. At the same time, for long-term investor, this is a cheaper price. I'll come back to the chart again, but the big news first of all, the earning for Q1 2021 will be on Monday, May 17th, and it will be after market. So 4 p.m. after it will be released, and I think it will be followed by a conference call at 4:30 p.m. Standard Time. And I'm not going to make any webcast, but the link is here. If you want, let me know. I can give you the link, or you can just go to their website under investors. They have the link over there. So why I'm so excited, because if I look at the last earning, the full year 2020 earning, it was superb. The revenue for the year ended December 2020 were 26.8 million. Significant research available, continuity strength, and blah blah blah. But the most important thing is the revenue for the year 2020 was 26.8 million, right? And showing some growth over quarter growth. Also, the EV revenue, electric vehicle revenue in 2020 was 19.5 million versus 2.7 million in 2019, which means 600% increase in electric vehicle revenue between 2019 and 2020. And they talk about other systems. So basically they have an ecosystem, and they are coming with the ecosystem with electric vehicle, the charging system and everything. So it's a big thing, and they have a good vision. So the good thing is, like, if you connect all the puzzles, and it makes sense. And because of the earning, if you go to the last earning per share price, you can see it jumped a lot from 2.9, it went all the way to 3.4. So again, if there is a good earning, I think there will be a run up. How far it can go, definitely is hard to tell, but at least it can go. And you see the black line here. If the trend is continuing, then it might come and hit around 2.8 area. So from 2.5 it can go up to 2.8 or $3. So let's see, even 2.8 will give you like 14% profit. If it goes to $3, which seems like a resistance, it will be like 22%. On the other hand, if it comes down, it might come down even more. So anyway, it's an earning play. Earning is always a gamble, but their previous earning was good, and I'm so bullish because in the previous earning they did not have the wave charging. So what is wave? This is a wireless charging solution. So once the revenue from wave will be included, I'm expecting that EV revenue for Q1 2021 will be even better. So I'm expecting a upper movement. Now this is up to you how you want to play, if you are long-term, swing term, or you are a long-term investor. Now moving to the next one, if I also look at their Q4 2020, you can see their revenues are increasing, and also you see their gross profit are increasing little bit. Also, some news like after a staggering past year return of 489%, Ideonomics continues rapid growth, investing in EVs, fintech, and now social media. And if you know, they have EV, they have fintech, and everything. I will just cover a little bit. A recent news, I think it came last week, May 13th. It came last week. I'll just go through the headlines. The Ideonomics signs a definitive agreement to acquire California-based US hybrid. And what's that? It offers proven zero-emission power train component for electric, hybrid, and fuel cell application. And what they did, so basically it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire 100%. Okay, so 100% of the company. So this is a good one. And what they do, basically they are acquiring many companies. If you go to their website, they have an ecosystem, and that ecosystem has mobility and the financial fintech side. So they are acquiring many companies. You see Energica, so this is an electric motorcycle. Then you can see about medium and heavy duty EV, Medici Motor Work, and then Mobile Energy Global. You can also look at their America's first manufacturer of electric tractor, which is Solar Track. So, and also this other one, the electric bike, I guess. Yeah, so they are acquiring many different companies. This is how they're growing, right? So it was another positive news. So as long these companies are doing good, definitely Ideonomics will be doing good. Now let's come back to the price action here. So I'm going to draw some support and resistance. I think it will help us to understand where it can go. And I'm gonna change the color. Let's make it yeah, this color. So I think one of the important resistance, I would say around this area, $3, because you can see it was resistance at that point. Then it became resistance around here. Then for many time it was a resistance, then we came down. Now we can't break that $3 thing. So we tried, last time we were here, came down, we tried, we went up, but again we came down. So one important thing is, if the earning is exceptional or any kind of movement, definitely $3 will act like a very important resistance. Also look at the trend, the black line here, as I said, around 2.75, 2.8 could be a resistance. Other than 2.8, what we can see around this area, again 2.5, you see some resistance here, some resistance here, and also last time after the earning we could not break that 2.5. Once 2.5 is broken, definitely there is more upside, but I'm not going that far for now because this is $4, and I'm sure like once the earning is good and we will go and approach towards 3.5, I will make more videos. What's the downside? I think the downside definitely is around this area. And why it is important, you see it was a resistance few times, then from this line we see a long week it was rejected, and again the price was around this area for some days, and currently we are over this particular one. So 2.3, this area is again a good support, but if it is broken, definitely we can come down. But how far we can come down, that's the thing, right? So just looking at the lines, I think it makes sense, right? Something around here, maybe around 2.1 or $2, but I'm not going below than that because I think it will not go that far below. I think it will just bounce off, and the 2.3, this is an important line. Most probably you will see it will bounce back from this particular line. If you look at the RSI, we are around 41, so anything below 50 is is good, and meaning it's not overbought, right? 50 is neutral, and also it's not giving me any direction. The overall direction is going down, but again, once we have a good earning, or if the market is um, moving towards growth stock, all the corrections are over, and once we break the trend, we go above that black line, and once we go above the $3, then I think I can say that the overall trend has reversed and this thing wants to go up and up. And let's move to a weekly chart. Just want to show you. So again, on a weekly chart, you can see how we are coming down and down and down. So it can be only confirmed once we reverse totally and we break over this resistance as well. Look at the RSI, we are coming down. Look at the blue line, we are coming down. So the overall long-term trend is still we are going down, but again, once things will change, good earning, market correction, market rotation, those things will be over at one point, then we will see. But look also the last candle here, this is a dragonfly weekly candle, meaning that we had a week and now we wants to go higher. So the earning is very important. If the earning is good, then why not, we will go higher. And I have lots of share. Last time what I did after the earning, like once we came here, in my video I said sell your shares, at least half of your shares, because I was predicting it will come down because because it was on the black line, and I was thinking that it will come back, and that happened. It came back, so I sold around 3.1, then I rebought around 2.5. So hopefully again, if it comes up and hits around $3 or around 2.9, I will sell some of my shares, and if it comes down, I will buy more. Otherwise, definitely I will have more shares. The share price is really looking juicy. Also, if you want, you can try covered call. Back-to-back videos I'm talking about covered call. If you have more than 100 share, definitely you can sell some covered call. You need to choose the expiry date and the strike price wisely, so that you never lose anything. Also, you can buy some call option if you are really bullish. The share price is so less, 2.5. Even if you look something around 2000, let's say April 2020, which will give you a long expiration date, almost 1 year, 335 days, and you only have to pay $126 or $138. You see, it's not very expensive. So 1.5 plus 1.38 is 2.9. So by next 1 year, if it goes to 2.9, you will be in profit. The current price is 2.46, and we know $3 is a resistance, so definitely in 1 year I think we will go close to 3 years. So again, up to you. Take a long expiration date for this call option. Just you spend $138. 100 share will cost $240. This one will cost less. So again, it's up to you how you want to play. I played some call option, but now I'm not playing with call option with penny stock, because they are so volatile, especially if they are growth stock. They can be beaten anytime, so I do not want to play with any expiration date, so that if I hold, I will lose my money. So this is how I'm playing. If there is a dip, I'm buying, and also I'm look at the trend. If I see the trend is moving as the lines I'm drawing here, it is giving me more confidence that I am playing in the right way. So if it goes up and if it bounces back from the black line, I just sell here. If it comes down, I buy more. But I'm not selling everything, so I'm always keeping half of my shares, so that if there is an insane movement, I will not lose. So anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this particular video is to show you that Monday we will have an earning, how the share price is looking, how the trend is looking, what is the support, what is the resistance, and how can you play some call option if you want. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.